normals for my data plot has been maddening, because every time I get the normals to face outward on the rock surface on the top, the flat side of the rock, the normals face the other way, and it creates this bubbling feature. And that messed up the rest of the plot. Also, I'm having problems with this flatter surface here facing the wrong direction too. I've played around with it so long, I don't think I'm going to be able to get it without a better understanding of MeshLab. So I trimmed up my mesh after I imported it, did all the surface normals, I messed around with numbers for hours, and then I finally trimmed up the faces, and here it is. I'm really happy with this portion of the geometry. I think that came out really well, and that is a really good representation of the physical thing that I mapped, as well as this and the split between it. It's really easy to see that. The main problem I had was with this part here where the rock face goes down to the ground. The normals, I could not get them in the right direction, so it made like a hollowed out little tunnel in the piece, and so I cut it to try to show an example of what that rock looks like, but the points are the actual place where the geometry exists. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm not going to print it. I think overall I now understand how complex the geometry of this rock surface was, and that it was really difficult to map. So in hindsight, maybe I wouldn't have picked something that was so geometrically complex.